The video is about a new malicious pop-up that is coming from the page Enspread.top. Enspread.top. It says that you need to tap the allow button to continue your browsing. The reality is that, of course, clicking on the allow button immediately hijacks your browser, and people start getting forwarded to many unfamiliar pages as a result of that. Now, the feature of push notifications is decent in many cases. For instance, it's the part of some commercial sites or news websites. It's even used by Hotmail to let you know about the new mail. But it's currently abused by the sites like Enspread.top. When you click on allow, this website Enspread.top starts displaying a lot of excessive and extremely intrusive ads that will be attacking your screen permanently. And they may point your browser to many dangerous pages in the internet. So if the allow button was clicked by mistake, you need to immediately fix your browser. Go to the menu, click on Settings. Then in Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings, and in the permissions choose Notifications. You need to examine the allow area, and if you find some suspicious sites here in the list, go ahead and delete them from this list. Finally, I recommend that you perform the analysis of your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may obtain its latest version on the page combocleaner.com, so download the application, install the software, and perform scanning of your Mac with this program. And at the end of scan, you will see the clear picture of the current security status of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you will see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific thread manually one at a time. So this is the free and manual approach to deleting threads from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.